This is my grandma, Opal Hunt, and I asked ChatGPT for a recipe that she might have made back in the 1950s. And this apple crisp is that recipe. But will it remind me of my grandma's home cooking? Let's find out. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the following in a large bowl: 6 cups of peeled, cored, and thinly sliced apples, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything to combine, and pour the apples into a medium-sized greased baking dish. By the way, I used Honeycrisp apples, but you can use Granny Smith if you want something more tart. Now mix together 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and stir to combine well. Quickly cut in 1/2 cup of chilled and diced butter, a little at a time, until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Sprinkle the mixture over the apples, and then bake for about 45 minutes. Remove the crisp from the oven and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Top it with vanilla ice cream and serve warm. But is it good enough to remind me of my grandma's home cooking? Oh yeah, it is. Sure do miss you, Grandma.